Next topic is subset. A set A is said to be a subset of a set B if every element of A is an element of B. It is denoted by A is subset of B. The sign this denotes A's subset of. Let A belongs to capital A and A is a subset of B. Then A will also belong to B. If A is a subset of B and A is an element of A, implies that A is also an element of B. Points to remember: every set A is a subset of itself. Null set is a subset of every set. This is an important topic, so we will take some examples for it. Now, examples for subset. Let we have a set A which consists numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we have a set B which has -7, -5, -4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we can see that every element of A is in B. So we can write A is a subset of B. Let this element be small a. Then small a belongs to capital A. And A is a subset of B. हमने अभी देखा सारे एलिमेंट्स B में थे. Then A will also belong to B. हमने इसे A माना था, तो यही A एलिमेंट सेट B में भी मिला हमें. तो ये जो हमने स्टेटमेंट पीछे देखी थी उसका मतलब यही था कि अगर कोई एलिमेंट A में है और सेट A सेट B का सबसेट है तो वो एलिमेंट सेट B में भी होगा. मूविंग फर्दर, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज वी जस्ट रेड दैट एवरी सेट इज एन सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ. तो जब हमें सबसेट लिखने का बोला जाता है ना कि आप किसी सेट के सारे सबसेट बताइए, तो हम उस सेट को भी उसका सबसेट मानते हैं और नल सेट को भी उसका सबसेट मानते हैं. Our next topic is proper subset and superset. Let A and B be two sets. If A is a subset of B and A is not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B and B is called the superset of A. Let's look into our example. हमने अभी देखा कि A जो है वो B का सबसेट है और A is not equal to B. Why? Because it has some more elements apart from the elements present in A. So these are not equal, and we can say that A is proper subset and B is superset. A is proper subset of B and B is superset of A. Let's move further. The next topic is subsets of real numbers. How do we represent sets of numbers? Capital R represent set of all real numbers. N is natural numbers, Z integers, Q rational numbers, T irrational numbers. Now we have a relation between all of these sets. The set of natural numbers is a subset of set of integers. That means all natural numbers are integers. All integers are rational numbers. All rational numbers are real numbers. All irrational numbers are also real numbers. But all natural numbers are not irrational. This sign represents not a subset of.